I don't order plants that often, but when I do, I make sure that I go a little overboard. All my current available wishlist plants accidentally end up in my cart before checkout. So let's see together what Greenmall sent me this time, because I was a little crazy. And I tell you, the order this time was huge because I didn't buy any plants for 6 months. How did I bear it? Strict discipline. Let's unbox together what Greenmall sent me. Let's start with the small ones first. And this is a variegated philodendron. Second on the list is a small pot of lithops. This one here is an anthurium that was missing from my collection, and I really love this. Look at this color. Number 4 is this tiny little ugly baby plant that I bought for my sister. If this isn't stunning, it should be. Last from the first box. This tiny baby. Last item of the first package is this sphagnum moss, which I will put in great use. And in here is the plant that actually made me do this order. Let's unbox it. A free gift. Ta-da! An orchid without flowers. But I guess if it survives, it will get some. Second one. Not so little, but really exciting is this Monstera meme, which, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I had previously bought one, which was a tiny baby that I let to dry out. Sad story. This one will survive or will end up in the garden. Who knows? While I was browsing the website, I came across a plant that reflects my love for Asia. Behold! Chinese lanterns! And the last plant, the little green devil that made me matar viñedo. Is this banana variegata? She might be tiny, but she will grow tall and strong under a huge grow light because I refuse to let her die.